Hello students, so we are going to discuss this paper subject test number 7. How to solve the questions in minimum possible time and what will be the methodology. So we are starting with question number first. So if you see these graphs, you have to answer these questions. So first is graph represents the relationship of volume on y-axis and temperature on volume on y-axis, temperature on x-axis. Pressure is constant. So you know when the pressure is constant, then volume is directly proportional to temperature at a constant pressure. So this is nothing but Charles' law. So this must be C, because you can see that volume and temperature are directly proportional to each other. So that is C. Second question, the graph represents the relationship of volume on y-axis, pressure on x-axis with temperature constant. So when temperature is constant, then volume and pressure, they are inversely proportional to each other. More the volume, less is the pressure. Less the volume, more is the pressure. So the answer will be E. You have hyperbola, because you can see as volume decreases, pressure increases. So this is E. Third is the graph represents the relationship of solubility of a given gas. On y-axis, solubility of a gas to the partial pressure of the gas on x-axis, partial pressure. So if we remember that Henry's law, solubility of any gas is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas and inversely proportional to temperature. So you can see it is directly proportional. So answer will be C only, na? Because solubility, if you take solubility here and pressure here, so both are directly proportional. So answer will be C. So these graphical questions are like this. If you see this B, that means this thing is constant. Whatever you take on y-axis, that is constant. Whatever you take on y-axis will be constant in graph B. This is a negative slope. That was increasing, solubility increases with pressure, and that will be decreases. That is the negative slope. Question number 4. Dash is called sublimation. So a simple question. Sublimation. Sublimation is direct conversion of solid to gas. So 4th will be A. Deposition. The reverse of sublimation is called deposition. So gas to solid is deposition. Dash is called vaporization. Vaporization is liquid to gas. Liquid to gas is vaporization. Liquid to gas is endothermic reaction. And if you take the opposite, that is called condensation. And that will be exo. So this is endo and this is exo. So dash is called freezing. So it will be, freezing is liquid to solid.